Can you continue to make the tower up? Can you make the tower? Oh, try again. Can you build the tower up again? Good. Oh, try some more. Here. There we go. There you go. Good girl. Yeah, you're doing such a good job. Hey, Emma, can you say mama?
Mom.
Can you say dada?
Dada.
Can you say nana?
Nana.
Can you say pappy?
Papa.
Can you say netta?
Nana.
Can you say Michelle?
Hey.
Can you say shell? Shell? Okay, try again. Ready? Can you say shell? Can you say shoes?
Two.
Can you say head? Can you say ball?
Wow.
Can you say go?
Go.
Can you say two?
Two.
Yeah. Can you say Kate?
Cat.
Can you say Kaka?
Cat.
Can you say Meg?
Meg.
Meg. Can you say Auntie? Auntie? Can you say Finn? Yeah, good try on that one. Can you say Liam?
Lee.
Lee. Can you say Ryan? No, that one's too hard. You want to see the video camera? Okay.